Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kimani Magi. First of all, look at that movement guys. I was having my moment there. I was obsessing over this look but I had to style it. So the first thing I do is I section my hair. I make sure that I leave just a small piece at the back, as you can see here. Then I'm going to put it away. Then I start doing the twisting. So this is not the normal twisting, and I'll show you later on what I mean by that. And that is why I'm telling you guys that this is beginner friendly. If you don't know how to cornrow or to twist, then this style is for you. So what I'm doing here is just twisting the entire hair in one direction. Well, it's more of folding it, but let's just call it twisting it. And I'm going to twist it all the way down, and then I'm going to pin it at the back. See, it's very simple. It's just twisting and then taking a bobby pin and then pinning it at the back. Look, it actually looks like a cornrow, but it's not, and that is why it's very good. It's actually very efficient and very fast. Actually, you can do this under 10 minutes. So as you can see, I'm just twisting the entire hair. It's more of, is it rolling or folding? Yeah, but yeah, the video is self-explanatory. So this is what I'm going to do for the entire hair. Yeah, and then once I'm done, I'm going to pin it at the back. Just make sure you don't do it too tight, and make sure it's a bit looser. We really don't want to harm our edges. We want to keep our edges. We want our hair to be okay.
Every time I'm there by your side, everything just feels so right. Every minute, every second, all memories I'll keep my whole life. All memories I'll keep my whole life.
It's not a must you do the same way that I did the bigger sections. You can actually make them smaller, or you can even make them bigger than I did mine. Yeah, and then at the back I'm just going to create a small cute bun. And by the way guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more natural hair videos. And this is the final look guys. As you can see, it's very simple, cute. It has that elegance in it, and I actually did this style under 10 minutes. So it's very efficient, and it's actually safe for your hair because there's no pulling of your hair. It's actually more of a protective style, by the way. So comment down below on what you think about the hairstyle and if you're going to try it out. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys.